In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to your Shopify store in 2020. Whether you're looking to expand your online presence or drive traffic to your Shopify store, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate Pinterest to harness the power of visual discovery for your business. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we begin at the home of your Shopify admin interface. You'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to the main dashboard. This is where you'll have all your store management tools at your fingertips. Once there, locate the left-hand sidebar as it will be your go-to navigation area. From here, you want to look for the Apps section, which is typically toward the bottom of the list. Click on this section and you'll be directed to the page where all your current apps and functionalities are installed and managed. Now, to add a new app, you'll want to find the Add button. This will take you to a selection of additional tools you can integrate into your store to enhance its capabilities. Go ahead and click on Add. This action will open up a directory of apps provided by Shopify to support your store operations across various needs. Next, you'll see a plethora of options, but for our purpose today, we need to enter the Shopify App Store. To do this, simply click on Shopify App Store, which will give you access to the vast library of apps available for integration. Now, this is where the real action begins, as the App Store is the gateway to countless possibilities, including connecting your store to Pinterest. Once you're in the App Store, type Pinterest into the search bar at the top of the page. The search function is intuitive and should quickly bring up the official Pinterest app as one of the top results. Once you've located the Pinterest app, the next step is simple. Click on the app to open its detailed page. Here, you'll find all the information relevant to the app, including what it offers and user reviews. At this stage, you're ready to proceed with the installation. The page will guide you through the process. Just click on Install and follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to agree to some terms and conditions, or provide certain permissions for the app to interface effectively with your Shopify store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just linked Pinterest to your Shopify store, paving the way for increased visibility and customer engagement. Remember, connecting your store to Pinterest opens up a fantastic visual marketing channel that can significantly enhance your consumer reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.